When the sun dips below the horizon and darkness blankets the land, a whole new world comes to life. This is the world of the nocturnal animals, creatures that have evolved to thrive in the night. Their secret lives reveal a world that operates in the shadows, often unseen by human eyes. As daylight fades, these creatures begin their daily routines. Owls, with their exceptional night vision, take to the skies in search of prey. Bats, using echolocation, navigate the night air, while small animals like sugar gliders and bandicoots forage for food under the cover of darkness. These animals have developed unique sensory abilities and behaviors to survive and thrive in a world that is starkly different from the one humans experience during the day. Here we will explore the fascinating behaviors and adaptations of these night dwellers to understand how they have become masters of the dark. Among the nocturnal wonders are the genets, mysterious and elusive creatures that have mastered the art of thriving in the dark. But what is it about these animals that make them so well suited to a life under the cover of night? Genets are small, cat-like mammals native to Africa and parts of Europe. They are agile nocturnal hunters, preying on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Genets are part of the family Viveridae, which includes animals like civets and mongooses. They possess a striking appearance with a slender cat-like body, a long ringed tail, and large ears that enhance their hearing, a crucial adaptation for the night. Their large eyes are another evolutionary gift, allowing them to see in low light conditions, while their well-developed whiskers help them navigate and sense their environment in complete darkness. Their fur, often spotted or melanistic, provides excellent camouflage against the nocturnal backdrop, making them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. This not only aids in their hunting, but also protects them from becoming targets themselves. The genets' diet is varied and opportunistic. They feed on a range of items from small mammals and insects to fruits and birds. One of the most fascinating aspects of these creatures is their solitary and secretive nature. They are primarily tree-dwelling, using their semi-retractile claws to climb with agility and grace. This arboreal lifestyle keeps them safe from many dangers on the ground and allows them to pounce on unsuspecting prey from above. A tiny creature leaps through the trees with astonishing agility. Its large, round eyes capture the faintest glimmers of moonlight, and its oversized ears twitch at the slightest rustle in the underbrush. This is the bush baby, a master of nocturnal life, thriving in the darkness where others might falter. Bush babies, or galagos, are small primates that have evolved a remarkable set of adaptations that allow them to navigate and survive in the dark. One of their most notable features is the special membrane at the back of their eyes, which reflects and amplifies available light, enhancing their vision in low-light conditions. This adaptation is akin to the technology used in night vision goggles, allowing bush babies to spot predators and prey alike in the dead of night. Another key to their nocturnal success is their incredible auditory range. Bush babies can hear higher frequencies than humans, which is perfectly attuned to the sounds of the African forest. Their large ears can rotate independently, pinpointing the location of sounds with precision. This acute hearing alerts them to the presence of insects, their primary diet, and warns them of potential dangers lurking in the darkness. The physical prowess of bush babies is also a sight to behold. Their hind legs are equipped with stretchy tendons and extra-large muscles, giving them the ability to leap great distances from tree to tree, reaching speeds of 6 feet per second. This not only aids in their search for food, but also provides a swift escape from threats. Their silent flight and acute vision, owls are the quintessential nocturnal predator. Their ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees gives them a nearly panoramic view of their surroundings. Their large, forward-facing eyes are a defining feature, providing binocular vision and enabling them to gauge distances accurately when hunting. Unlike other birds, owls cannot move their eyes within their sockets. Instead, they have an extraordinary ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, allowing them to have a wide field of view without moving their bodies. The silent flight of owls is another marvel of evolution. Their specialized feather structure, with serrated edges and a velvety surface, allows air to pass through without creating noise. This stealthy flight enables them to approach their prey undetected. Owls primarily feed on small mammals, insects, and other birds, which they capture with their sharp talons. Bats, the only mammals capable of sustained flight, are one of nature's most intriguing creatures. With over 1,300 species, they play a vital role in many ecosystems around the world. These nocturnal animals have evolved an extraordinary method of navigation and hunting known as echolocation, which allows them to thrive in the dark. Echolocation is a biological sonar used by several kinds of animals, but bats are perhaps the most well-known for this ability. They emit high-frequency sounds that are often beyond the range of human hearing. These sounds, when they hit an object, produce echoes. The returning echoes provide the bats with detailed information about their environment, such as the size, shape, and distance of objects, including their insect prey. The process of echolocation begins with the bat emitting sound waves from its mouth or nose. When these waves hit an object, they bounce back to the bat's ears, which are finely tuned to detect the echoes. The bat's brain then interprets these echoes to form an auditory map of its surroundings. This allows bats to navigate through dense forests, cluttered caves, or the open night sky with remarkable agility. Bats' echolocation is so precise that they can detect objects as thin as a human hair in complete darkness. Moreover, each species of bat has its unique echolocation calls, which can vary in frequency, duration, and intensity. This diversity in calls helps reduce interference between different bat species that may be hunting in the same area. In the stillness of twilight, when most of the world settles into the quiet of impending night, a particular group of birds springs to life with an almost ethereal presence. They are the nightjars, mysterious avians that have perfected the art of nocturnal living. These birds, belonging to the family Caprimulgidae, are a marvel of evolutionary adaptation, thriving in the darkness where most other birds dare not venture. Nightjars are known for their cryptic plumage, which blends seamlessly into the woodland floors or sits inconspicuously on branches during the day, making them nearly invisible to predators and humans alike. As dusk falls, these birds take to the skies with silent flight, their wide mouths opening to capture insects in midair. The nightjar's life is one of balance and subtlety. They lay their eggs on the ground, relying on their camouflage to protect their future offspring. This strategy of concealment is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to remain undetected by predators during their most vulnerable moments. These small, arboreal marsupials are native to Australia, New Guinea, and the surrounding islands, where they have carved out a niche in the dense forest canopies. Sugar gliders thrive in the dark hours when most of their predators are asleep. This nocturnal lifestyle is not merely a preference, but a survival strategy honed over generations. By being active at night, sugar gliders can avoid the keen eyes of diurnal predators and exploit food resources that are less accessible during the day. During the day, sugar gliders seek refuge in the safety of tree hollows or nests, often made of leaves and bark. These shelters provide protection from the elements and predators, allowing the sugar gliders to rest and conserve energy for their nightly activities. When night falls, they emerge from their hiding spots, ready to forage and glide through the forest in search of food. Their sharp claws and keen sense of smell aid them in locating their meals in the dark. Additionally, sugar gliders have a specialized membrane called the patagium, which stretches from their forelimbs to their hind limbs. This membrane allows them to glide for distances of up to 50 meters, navigating the forest with remarkable agility and grace. As darkness envelops the landscape, a different kind of life stirs in the underbrush. Their behavior is not just a preference, but a strategic survival tactic. The darkness provides them with the perfect camouflage against predators and enables them to be effective hunters. Their prey, which includes insects and small vertebrates, are more active and abundant during these hours, making nightfall the ideal time for tarantulas to hunt. The anatomy of a tarantula is well suited for a life in the dark. Their bodies are covered with sensitive hairs that can detect the slightest vibrations in the air or on the ground, guiding them to their prey or alerting them to danger. Their eyes, although not their primary sense organ, are adapted to low-light conditions, allowing them to navigate the nocturnal world with ease. As darkness envelops Madagascar, the eye emerges from its daytime slumber. This lemur is not only the world's largest nocturnal primate, but also one of the most distinctive due to its unconventional method of finding food. The eye's most notable feature is its elongated middle finger, which it uses with remarkable precision. It taps on trees, listening for hollow areas that might signal the presence of insect larvae. Once a potential feast is detected, the eye employs its rodent-like teeth to gnaw into the wood, then extracts its meal with its slender digit. This lemur's diet is not limited to insects. It also indulges in fruits and nuts. The eye's foraging technique is so specialized that it fills an ecological niche similar to that of a woodpecker, despite being a primate. A fascinating example of evolutionary ingenuity. The eye's nesting habits are equally intriguing. During the day, it retreats to spherical nests built from leaves, vines, and branches, often located in the forks of tree branches. These nests serve as a daytime refuge, where the eye can rest and seek shelter from predators and the harsh sunlight. One of the most striking features of Tarsiers is their enormous eyes, which are crucial for their nocturnal lifestyle. Each eye is as large as their brain, providing them with exceptional night vision. This adaptation is vital for spotting prey and navigating through the dense forests they call home after dusk. Unlike many nocturnal animals, Tarsiers lack a tapetum lucidum, a layer in the eye that reflects light to enhance night vision. Instead, their large eyes gather and utilize even the faintest light, allowing them to see in near total darkness. The auditory abilities of Tarsiers are equally impressive. Their acute hearing enables them to detect the slightest movements of insects and small animals, which constitute their diet. The combination of keen eyesight and sharp hearing makes them formidable nocturnal hunters. Another fascinating aspect of Tarsiers is their ability to rotate their heads almost 180 degrees. This owl-like adaptation allows them to scan their environment without moving their bodies, an essential skill for detecting predators and prey. The ocelot emerges as a master of stealth and survival. These nocturnal felines, with their strikingly patterned coats, are the epitome of grace and agility in the dark. But what is it that makes these elusive creatures thrive after the sun sets? Ocelots are solitary hunters, and darkness provides them with the perfect cover to stalk their prey. Their excellent night vision allows them to detect movements in near pitch-black conditions, giving them a significant advantage over their prey. The dense forests of the Amazon, where many ocelots reside, offer an ideal habitat with plenty of cover and a rich variety of animals to hunt. Camera trap studies have shown that ocelots prefer these dense environments, steering clear of human settlements and roads, which helps them avoid the dangers posed by humans. The ocelot's coat is another marvel of evolution, with dark rosettes and faint stripes that blend seamlessly into the forest underbrush. This camouflage is not just for beauty. It's a critical survival tool that helps them remain unseen by both prey and predators alike. For more fascinating insights into the world of the Masters of the Dark, stay tuned to Curious Gate. The night is alive with stories waiting to be told. A unique creature stirs in the shadows of Tasmania's wilderness. Tasmanian devils are nocturnal carnivores that scavenge for carrion and hunt small prey during the night. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate food from far away, while their powerful jaws and teeth allow them to consume nearly every part of a carcass, including bones. These animals are also known for their eerie screeches, which they use to communicate and establish dominance. These creatures are not just survivors, they are voracious eaters, consuming everything from hair and organs to bones. This comprehensive diet reflects their role as scavengers and predators, ensuring that nothing goes to waste in the ecosystems they inhabit. Their eating habits also contribute to the health of their habitat by preventing the spread of disease from decaying carcasses. The Tasmanian devil's nocturnal behavior is also characterized by their extensive nightly travels. They can journey up to 16 kilometers in search of food, following well-defined trails that mark their territory. In the dense canopies of the tropical rainforests, from southern Mexico to Bolivia, the Kinkajou reigns as a true master of the night. With their soft, golden-brown fur and large, expressive eyes, the Kinkajou embarks on a nightly quest for sustenance, navigating through the labyrinth of trees with remarkable agility. Their excellent night vision and acute sense of smell guide them to their preferred diet of fruits and nectar, which they forage with their long, slender tongues. As dawn approaches, the Kinkajou seeks refuge in the dark hideaways of the forest. This magical hour before sunrise is a critical time, as predators are on the prowl. The Kinkajou must find a well-concealed spot to rest during the day, avoiding the dangers that light brings. The Kinkajou's nocturnal lifestyle is not just a matter of preference, but a necessity. The cover of night provides safety and an abundance of food resources with minimal threats. Their solitary nature and elusive behavior have earned them the nickname Night Stalkers, as they are seldom seen by humans and mostly go about their activities undisturbed. Bandicoots, primarily found in Australia, are often overlooked in the animal kingdom, yet they play a crucial role in the ecosystem. The cover of night provides them with the perfect cloak for foraging and fulfilling their ecological duties, such as soil turnover, which benefits the environment by aiding in nutrient recycling and seed dispersal. Their nocturnal lifestyle is supported by their physical adaptations. Bandicoots have a keen sense of smell and hearing, which are essential for locating food and evading danger in low-light conditions. Their diet is varied and includes insects, worms, and plant material, making them omnivorous. Slow lorises are found in the forested regions of Southeast Asia, where they lead a life that is both fascinating and mysterious. They are arboreal animals, spending most of their time in the trees, and have evolved several unique traits that enable them to thrive in the darkness. One of the most striking features of the slow loris is its large, round eyes that dominate its facial appearance. These are not just for show. They are a critical adaptation for life after dark. The eyes of a loris are designed to maximize the amount of light entering the retina, which is essential for their nighttime foraging and navigation. But vision is not their only adaptation. Slow lorises are also one of the few venomous mammals. Their bite can deliver a toxin that can cause severe reactions in other animals and humans. Nocturnal animals have evolved their night-centric behaviors for various reasons. Hunting at night often means less competition for food and fewer predators. The cooler nighttime temperatures in certain environments, such as deserts, also help these animals conserve energy. Additionally, the cover of darkness provides a stealth advantage for both predators and prey. That's it for today on Curious Gate. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications so you don't miss when we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay curious.